Alright. Welcome once again. I want to play the song Unastahili Kuabudiwa. How do we go about it? It's a tutorial. The song begins with B. You see, I'm holding a G sharp. Come to 1/1, 5/5. Move from G sharp all the way to B. See this chord? It is called an E. Alright? It's a passing chord. I'm holding A sharp, I'm holding E, and I'm holding once again A sharp. So the diminished chord, 1/5, 5/5, back to 1. So this is what we do. That's how we play it. Alright? Unastahili kuabudiwa, unastahili ewe Yesu, unastahili image passing. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you get notified whenever I post another video to continue learning together.